Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every tabletop gamer will appreciate, the SIQUK Dice Tray Set. We found this interesting item online and have added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the SIQUK Dice Tray Set? This set includes 6 hexagon-shaped dice trays in a vibrant assortment of colors: red, blue, violet, black, green, and yellow. Whether you're in the midst of a role-playing game, Dungeons and Dragons session, or any other table game, this set ensures that you and your friends are well-equipped for your gaming adventures. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First off, the quantity 6 trays means that you can easily share with your friends or simply have a variety to choose from depending on your mood or game. Each tray measures approximately 8.7 by 7.4 inches with a depth of about 1.6 inches, providing ample space for all your polyhedral dice. The construction of these trays is noteworthy. SIQUK has skillfully combined a soft velvet lining with an outer layer made from PU leather. The craftsmanship is evident in the exquisite stitching, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also enhances durability. Each of the 6 corners features metal snaps, making it easy to snap the trays together for quick setup and storage. Speaking of durability, the lining made of soft velvet protects the tray from scratches, even from sharp-edged or metal dice, ensuring that your gaming surface remains pristine. The outer PU leather not only feels great to the touch but is also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze after those intense gaming sessions. Another highlight is the portability of these trays. Thanks to the snap design, you can easily collapse them after a game and store them in a convenient location, ensuring they're ready for your next adventure. This feature also allows you to quickly snap the trays together to protect your roll surfaces and keep your dice from rolling off the table, which can be a common nuisance during gameplay. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a tabletop gaming enthusiast, whether for casual or competitive play, this dice tray set is a fantastic addition to your gaming arsenal. It's perfect for role-playing game lovers, D&D players, or anyone who enjoys board games that involve dice. Beyond gaming, these trays have practical use cases as well. They're not just for dice. You can use them to hold everyday items like jewelry, watches, keys, coins, or even candies. The versatility of this product extends its usefulness beyond just the gaming table, making it a great organizational tool for any space. In summary, the SIQUK Dice Tray Set combines practicality, durability, and style in a way that enhances your gaming experience. With 6 vibrant colors, easy portability, and versatile usage, it's a solid choice for any gamer or anyone looking to organize their small items in a stylish manner. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.